Hey, what's going on guys, it's Kimini here, and today we're going to be unboxing the recently launched Itel P33 Android device. We'll be seeing what comes in the box, its features, and a general overview. So without taking much of your time, yo guys, let's get started. Before we unbox this device, let's run through some quick specs you find on the box, which state that this smartphone features a 5.5-inch HD Plus IPS display, fingerprint and face unlock as the security measures, a 4000 mAh battery, 1.3 GHz quad-core processor, and Android 8.1 Go edition. Now those are out of the way, let's immerse ourselves in the unboxing experience. First thing you're greeted with while the box is opened is the device itself, carefully wrapped as expected. And for the probe, we get to see 4 different wraps that house the earphone, micro USB 2.0 cable, the wall power adapter, and a plastic case to cover up this device. On inspecting the P33, you can see it looks so much like the predecessor, the Itel P32, of which I made a video recently, link in the description. In fact, everything seems identical except for the orientation of the camera and speaker at the rear. One could easily pass for the other, and that brings us to checking out the ports and openings for this device. At the rear is the dual camera setup with an 8-megapixel main camera and an auxiliary camera for depth sensing, that's the bokeh mode, the fingerprint sensor and an opening for the speakers. To the top is a 3.5mm jack port for those earbuds we saw earlier. Right here at the front is a 5-megapixel selfie camera, LED flash and earpiece opening. Let's get the sticker off the screen so we can get to see the HD Plus 5.5-inch IPS panel. Obviously an upgrade to the P32 in terms of resolution. And right at the bottom are the micro USB 2.0 ports and microphone opening. Design-wise, this device is pretty decent and basic, and while we've gone through those, let's move right on to the next phase of this video, which is turning on the device for the first time. I'm obviously not gonna bore you guys with the whole setup process, which took roughly 3 minutes to get the device up and running. I was prompted to set up the fingerprint and pattern without an option to set up the face unlock from the start, something I later found in the biology ID section of the settings. The Itel P33 so very much feels like the P32 if you ask me. The speed so far feel the same, and I think it's as a result of both devices having CPUs clocked at the same number, which is a 1.3 GHz quad-core processor coupled with a 1 GB of RAM. There's a better memory this time, with this unit sporting a 16 GB internal memory. From the settings, you can see it runs on Android 8.1 Oreo Go edition as expected for these budget smartphones. We launched the camera and saw a couple modes right there, which include the photo, portrait, video and panorama modes. I'll have you guys see the picture quality in the full review, as this is just an unboxing and my first impression on this device. Honestly, it doesn't seem like one would be able to differentiate the two devices, which are the Itel P32 and P33 from the front, as they so look the same. But if you want us to make a comparison video between the P32 and P33, do let me know in the comment section below. One thing I see Itel doing in the smartphone space in this part of the world is provide value for your money, and a smartphone having a 4000 mAh battery, basically solving the power problems for many and at an affordable price, is something most people would love and care about. But is this device really worth your consideration? To find out, kindly hit the subscribe button right now, and do not forget to click on the teeny tiny bell icon next to it to stay notified when we upload the review video of the Itel P33. Are there videos you want to see with the P33? Do let me know in the comment section also. Other than that, it's goodbye. I'ma catch you in the next one. Cuidate.